right, everybody, we're going to make a Christmas countdown chain. It's gonna look a little bit like that. This is what your kit is gonna look like, not these, but you're gonna get a Christmas tree pattern, some stickers, and some green and yellow strips of paper. Now, if you haven't already made a paper chain, I'll just do a couple links and show you. I've already got it started, and I like to alternate red and green, but you just take one of the strips, so we'll take a green one next, and you put it inside the loop of the previous one, take some glue, and glue those ends together, just the very end there. And you can make a chain as long as you like if you have construction paper at home. But for this one, we're gonna just do 13 red and 13 green, because that'll give us a good countdown chain from the beginning of December all the way up to Christmas Day. Just make sure you get your loops one inside the other. I like to hold it for a second, make sure it sticks. Now, for our countdown chain, we want our loops to be numbered. You can either number them before you put them together, or you can take and number them when they're stuck together. So I'm gonna take, I have them all the way up till 20, then I'm gonna take my marker and I'm gonna make 21. Next one is going to be 22, and then 23. If you do them when they're already stuck together, then you don't run the risk of your numbers being upside down. 4. Oh, looks like I got too many. Did that already miscounted? 25. I think I have too many. So we don't need this one. We'll take this one off. All right. Now your loops are all numbered. Now, take your Christmas tree pattern and you color your Christmas tree. Sorry. I've got that colored. Now be careful when you cut that out, otherwise that star might come off. And then you take your stickers and you can decorate those however you like. Make it look like Christmas tree ornaments all over the tree. And then if you want to, you can either leave it just like that, or we included a larger sticker, and you can stick that on there wherever you like, or you can cover up that star, make a big silver star or snowflake. Now what I forgot to mention is one of these loops does not have to be numbered, because that's going to be Christmas Day. So then we're going to take and we're going to stick our Christmas tree right on that unnumbered loop. And that's going to be the last loop left. So then you can hang up your loop, and then every day you can tear off a loop, and that'll tell you how many days left until Christmas, just for fun. And when you get to the Christmas tree loop, you'll know that's Christmas Day. Have fun.